Messi go soon turn free agent.
Okay.
First time. You know, because when he did Barca, he walked away. They owe him till now. They pay some, owe some. But now, Messi, free agent. I take some for your year first. Messi, 8-time Ballon d'Or winner.
Now because of World Cup. Now why I sure say he won't come out.
Oh, he won't go where they challenging.
He won't go challenging so that he go feel measure up to the quality of players for Argentina. But the question now where he won't go.
Coming from US, preparing for the World Cup, you know, free agent. You feel say may come out for Inter Miami?
He won't come out already. But the question now where he go.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna start to the check.
England.
For England now, team where we afford first. We start with affordability. Yeah. Then we talk about the kind of team where they
Man City.
Okay, more look Man City. They don't buy Czechia. They don't. So that place is closed. It's closed now.
Oh, yeah, closed.
England.
Oh, yes.
More Liverpool. You know the bench Salah.
People will buy Ferran Vitz.
No best.
You know they go that place.
Man, you know they go present failure.
Maybe Remo Stars. Remo Stars get facilities. They get packaging.
For Messi,
yeah, nah.
Man shock you. The first time Messi go appear, coach go to take picture for get training.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
My name. Now, MC Advisor, call me the exceptional voice on top radio, but they get why they call me the Wahala man when some kind matters don't stop. But I'm there with my friend and brother, the one and only. Yeah, that ain't name, man. No, give me the title. I title the
radio's finest storyteller, sports finest storyteller.
Man, no say, forget I not to get plenty money.
But no worry. See, make Chelsea just reach club World Cup final. Me and you know say we go cash out.
Wait, see.
Advice me and you go cash out.
Never. Okay, we go cash out. Yes. I say,
you know, say,
sorry. I don't use
money is involved.
I want to use Bambele. No. Chelsea to reach. If money they involved, when I reach there, but when I lose the final.
When we reach that final,
never
go cross.
Some of the people will be say with the hopes that they go reach the final because the support, bless say, don't do too much for them. You know, because of them, they even go open Project X for them on top of social media handle. And even people who say they don't go do it, don't they do it for support? Don't you remember? Super Falcons finally upon us on Sunday. I bet now we they expect too much, or then go deliver.
They're supposed to deliver because you know now the beauty of success be that when you they chase the next objective, you go forget the one where you don't achieve. These ladies don't win 9, but now they don't call them Project X. They won't go there. It gets some players who did that thing whenever win they have come before, so they need to go out there do their best.
No pressure.
No pressure.
Are you serious?
No pressure. This now league. See in African football be this. No pressure. Go do the thing where you know. Defend well. Hold down your midfield and score your goals.
So if they actually win this 10-1 now, you feel say they don't reach one landmark where we say they're supposed to leave that African team, start to pursue international stage, I mean the continental stage, global stage where they never achieve.
They're supposed don't they do that one
because it ain't painful. It ain't painful now.
And nobody the girls go set that objective.
Are you serious?
Yes. Now the organizers go set. See when Belgium football change,
true.
We know what Belgium do.
Now the federation.
See Norway football don't change now.
Don't change like this, so true.
Norway football.
Hope don't do for Norway.
Yes.
They actually not qualify 3 times. Despite playing well.
Yeah. So now when the federation serious say this now what we want to achieve, now they go until then. More just the shout outs to the ladies for what they do for
talking about shout out now. Ogun State actually they host the under 18 and under 20 athletics championship. So now you always talk about grassroots. So now the best way to go pick people who go either take over or compete with their muscle biddies and all, because those ones they outside they run for the country. Now we want to do inside Nigeria, push it to the world. Your expectation on this?
You know, I expect a lot because it's sure for me. Say when Ogun State one hosts the national sports festivals, they know. Say the facilities that they put in place go serve for the under 18 and under 20 African Athletics Championship. So for me, like we always talk. Get your data, get your stats. Anybody will compete, get the person name. All those exceptional athletes, get their name down, follow them up, so that you know go be like say we just organize competition, see one star, the star no can shine for Nigeria.
You go bye.
Make the transition continue like that because as they talk about Belgium, that's what Belgium take turn their story around. They get start of all their players from under 17, the Hazard, the Kevin De Bruyne, they make sure them
under 20.
As they continue under 20, reach the senior team, they can't get another set of under 17 again, and now they get all those their arrangements. So now just plug and play. So now what we go to do as we don't they get all these competitions, national sports festival, some young athletes they discover. They'll continue from here. Then going forward, Nigerians go to get more athletes. We'll be say someone like Favor Philly won't go. We tell and say shout out to you, another person go enter. We'll call it borrow countries athletes.
We believe that Nigeria will reach that level because for year we reach that level and we pass for 89.9 Yanga FM because with the station we sabi. You know what? The thing they paid me.
Why?
You be super athletes. You be start for Lagos. You run, stick on go Olympics, do well. But now they can't call you second do doping test. You can't form scars.
What is the person name?
And if they think say wetin be person name na Imabong Uko. Now wetin shock me.
Okay.
Now from South. And these people, South people, Nigerian as a whole, we know they run from this kind of thing because of we know our integrity. We know what they do.
They're in the fear face.
So look who she face, even if it says spare parts, you understand?
Yeah.
But this one now, as a professional way you be, you know say test they part of your job.
Yeah.
What did they happen with Imabong? Why should they do this kind of thing?
And only she go fit answer that question because normally you be athletes. So whenever they tell you say come do test, you go see. What do they talk and say? Who no get any criminal record? No, they fear any inquisition. So you where they fear inquisition, I be say it get something where they your backyard. So for the girl to miss this thing for like 2 years, something they fishy, and why she don't collect the statutory suspension.
English.
Yeah,
you
she
go
don't collect suspension, and now only her fee answer this one because she did school for US.
Okay, but
so you know, like say you did Nigeria, you say
bad
you
one, bad one though.
Okay, yeah, no, bad one for her.
Okay, so talking about bad or good, you know, more also tell us say Nigeria by themselves now. So say they want to qualify for the relay.
Okay.
Where we say visa and all those Wahala no let them go. They can't tell them say okay, space still there for people to qualify. But before you actually go forward to qualify, you guys run with other countries. Where go fit make you qualify. My own question be say if Nigeria still hosts people for our own Lagos, Nigeria, is it possible say we still feel lose and not qualify despite we being the favorite and we the host?
Make we just stay positive. The reason why they organize them is say make our athletes get more points to qualify for the World Athletic Championship for Tokyo. Now very good objective.
Shame go deal.
No, now very good objective. Make they shall do them. But my own I say make you know they do them based on say that competition won't go that competition. No. Make your athletes from the calendar don't drop every year, 2 years, 4 years.
But I don't see this thing.
Follow this calendar where deliver your polling unit. Then you're not going to need to do all these packaging, mercenary movement what they do right now. But we wish them well for this one what they do. But the thing we talk now say next time I bet plan well.
Okay, Wembley done. You understand? Go to tennis. Don't be a shocker. Top seeds. You know, people with the respect. Go up the current champion. They pursue him. I see Akaras too. I mean, self they come out. What did they happen? Say the young guns of tennis don't decide say when I don't to do make we self come.
You know one thing with sport now say you wait and don't know your name. Now you get the chance to do a surprise.
True.
We see Novak Djokovic for the second round, high intake rally, take win in 3 sets. You know, shout out to him. He still pick himself up and do the magic. The doctors help him and he can't win. But now the story of Wimbledon be that many of the top seeds don't come out right now. Jack Draper, world number 4, British world number 1, go take on Marian Cilic. We just hope say more upsets no good days so that from semi-finals or finals we go to see good tennis. We say we go enjoy. But we know they rule out anybody where we say one can upset the cat, you know. But we won't see these top players.
Before we actually go for this break now, Jake Paul don't come outside. Jake Paul say, come, Oga, Nigerian, our British Nigerian. Come, Oga, don't tell where you fight. And you dey run from fight. My talk and the way it be. Anthony Joshua, you dey run from fight. I want fight you. What do you feel say this one be for Joshua?
For when I first hear that story, I think say na just mere talk. But now Anthony Joshua manager Eddie Hearn don't come and talk say is a possibility. The truth now say Joshua an exhibition fighter. Now he make money.
No, don't do that now.
Now Joshua make money pass now. Despite fighting the least amount of fight. How many fights who seek fight? How many fight Joshua fight? Joshua make money pass who seek. Joshua an exhibition fighter. So may just continue like that.
But now there Joshua supposed they now there mate. They Joshua be champion fighter.
Tell yourself the truth.
That what?
You get where you supposed day and you get where you day. Focus on that one. Make the money, go invest in Nigeria. I be my own because right now, okay, who in one fight? Dubois don't beat him. Who sick don't beat him? Fury now beating him pending, and maybe he go beat Wilder. See Joshua na exhibition. When just the exhibition, they make money. Saudi everywhere. Okay, it's all right.
09048213013. And I believe say make Joshua go to fight exhibition fight, or Joshua supposed to they active. They fight for championship. They fight for belts at the age where in day 38. I be waiting. Joshua they fight exhibition fight. 89.9 Yanga FM, station where sabi. More go listen to my party. Well, we party of Joshua.
Joshua my party and my guy no.
Claim success.
Now for you.
They thought say no need any other person no, because in Wetin get 99.9 Yanga FM, station where sabi with the men where sabi. My name na MCR by the comedy exceptional voice on top radio, but the guy why they call me the Wahala man. And I did with my friend and brother where we say name they withdraw money for pocket. But not they reach in your account. I refuse to be tempted by you, my brother.
Now you they give me advice.
No, this is my advice. So my advice now.
Now you give me advice.
One of the advice, one advice now. Okay. We have a Messi contract don't remain 6 months. You know, and as a man when be now the first time say Messi go soon turn free agent.
Okay.
First time. You know, because when he did back he walked away, they owe him till now, they pay some, owe some. But now, Messi free agent. How you take sound for your year first? Messi, 8-time Ballon d'Or winner.
Now because of World Cup. Now why I should say he won't come out.
Oh, he won't go where they challenging.
He won't go challenging so that he go fit measure up to the quality of players for Argentina. But the question now where he won't go.
09048213013. I beg, lovers of sport everywhere. Which club did you say Messi if he go if you come up for US? Because if you say that US, the weather, I don't know Messi take up. I just say for the last match that Juventus players say me that sub 10 of them come up because of harsh weather. But now we don't talk Messi matter. Coming from US, preparing for the World Cup, free agent. If you say me come up for Inter Miami.
He won't come out already. But the question now where he go.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna start to check.
England.
For England now, team we fit afford first. We start with affordability. Then we talk about the kind of team where they
Man City.
Okay, more look Man City. They don't buy Czechia. They don't. So that place is closed. It's closed now.
Oh, yeah, closed.
Czechia, England.
Oh, yeah.
More Liverpool. You know, bench Salah.
People will buy Florian Wirtz.
No best. No
you know
best.
they go that place.
Man U. They go present failure.
Hey. No even call Chelsea.
Chelsea work in progress.
Now young players Chelsea they like.
What do you mean now?
Now young players Chelsea they like.
We don't come for England. Spain, Barca.
Yes, because forget Madrid.
I don't understand. Which one forget Madrid?
He know if he go Madrid.
Who they play that in wing?
Messi no if he go Madrid.
Messi if he go Madrid.
Out of loyalty.
Leave loyalty,
Barcelona. Messi no if he go Madrid.
Leave loyalty. Loyalty
okay,
then.
Okay, more leave Madrid no go Bayern.
I know they don't fit afford. So it's the same. Wait when I just say Madrid no fit afford Messi.
In fact, the bias, the beef,
leave
the
bias, where money they involved.
Now go make Messi no fit go and Madrid no go fit Bayern.
So Oyememe you are saying, so I go talk say Oyememe say
yes,
Madrid cannot buy
Messi. They not buy Messi when Messi they terrorize them. Now we say Messi come be like Ubulora here and they won't go buy Messi.
I like you.
Messi no.
I'll flog you for
flog that your advice where you won't give Madrid to go sign Messi.
Madrid, what I put thinking, Messi go soon be free agent. More use and threaten Barca.
Only Barcelona won't fit go, but I know sure say Barcelona go fit afford in.
They owe I mean they go back to who they owe you.
Oh.
No, not possible.
Oh yeah, Italy nko.
They say me go play with Conte.
Napoli. That fight go there.
Before they start match, they don't pay full blow.
Syria, they go break Messi.
They'll break Messi. You don't go to the World Cup. You don't go even go to the World Cup.
Germany,
Bayern. Not only Bayern. Who did that place again?
Leverkusen.
Who?
Ingo play for Leverkusen. He no play for Bayern.
You don't know the coach where they there now. When you be like,
hey, Wahala man.
Heritage. When you be like off free trade.
Oh boy.
No. Messi no fit go stay under that one.
France, PSG.
Now only PSG did there now. With the top people where they relevant. Who I mention again?
Marseille now.
Marseille call. Say money. No, say money.
Give me go Marseille.
Say Marseille.
But which one remain again?
Don't finish.
I want a Nigerian league.
That I buy you.
Nigerian league. Why Messi not go become Nigerian league?
First. No, this joke go sweet. First.
Okay.
Club. Which club?
Eyimba na.
Eyimba. Go does the Messi to go to Zobu.
Maybe Remo Stars. Remo Stars get facilities. They get packaging.
For Messi.
Yeah, nah.
Might shock you. The first time Messi go appear, coach go to take picture for get training. I swear. No measure.
This Messi matter choke.
Messi want leave
Inter Miami.
Because he want bigger challenge to show us say the country football not too challenging. So that one they don't first establish them. No hide them. No hide your feelings. No hide them. Inter Miami competition, US competition, no they so you want go where they competitive. No let's speak Igbo. Nah. We not still get where Messi want go.
Advice. I don't look this matter. I don't look your advice. You don't get where we see. Maybe the fans go if you give us the answer where we want.
09048213013. Which club and which team you thought say make Messi go because Messi now for the first time at the year and Messi.
We don't hawk Messi on top this show. We don't
Messi
see where we see him.
Not all Messi no be Osimhen. So thank you so much. Rest for you till Saturday from 1 o'clock to 6. We sit on top matters. Sunday from 2 to 6 o'clock on top Yanga Sports.
And by then, Chelsea go down beat Palmeiras and Chelsea go to look semi-final of
Club
World Cup.
You know they like to leave somewhere with better body.
If Chelsea reach final of Club World Cup, me and you go cash out. You know. You know. Advice. Money don't they involve now. You they give me.
When I don't listen to Yememe, he's not the one talking. You understand? And I also they talk through